Guys, it is Christmas Eve. So Vlogmas Day 25. You'll be seeing this on Christmas Day. And we are on the way to Grandma's house. My husband's mother's. Everybody's in the car. Left the dog at home. She is welcome to come, but she's a little much. So I just did not feel like dealing with her. Gave her lots of treats in the crate, and she should be fine. I would leave her outside, but it is very, very cold. And even though she wants to go outside because she likes it cold, I don't feel like that would be a good idea for today. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We did a little filming for the channel this morning, so you'll see that maybe next week. I'm not sure what else we have in the pipeline. But that's almost done. All we have to do, film for that, is what we thought of it, and we're going to serve it after lunch today. So we will see you later for something else. Anybody else want to say anything? No. Say bye. It's Christmas Eve, so this is day 25. We've made it. Not saying we did a great job, but we did it. So day 25 of Vlogmas. I still haven't opened my last jam. I'm interested to see what we get. Sorry. To be able to read the font on this. Yeah, it's chestnut orange Christmas spice spread. So I will have to try that tomorrow. I will definitely be trying this one in the morning. So that's the last one. We're gonna have a lot of trash, as we always do for Christmas. I've never heard of like a chestnut jam type spread, but interesting. Now we get the good stuff. We get the scotch. Our very last scotch that I believe they said was old and rare, undisclosed, but it is a Highland scotch. And it is a 19-year-old blended malt. Oh, it's a little bit of a darker one than the usual. It was aged in sherry oak casks. And we should taste Christmas cake, clove, and honeyed malt. Hopefully this opens like it's supposed to. That's nice. Yes, it did. So I'm gonna make sure there's no more water. Yeah, get the water out of that one. This one was pre-used, so it's the cameraman's. I'm kind of excited about this one. Here we go. See what I smell. It smells like whiskey. And it is 42%. So it's on the lower end of the scale that we've seen. I definitely get some cinnamon. Some sort of baked good, cakey, I guess, flavor. Sweet. Yeah. I'm liking this one. But, for a 19-year-old, I probably should. And it's pretty smooth. Blended helps. And being aged generally helps too. So I'm looking forward to finishing this. And I'm so glad that we finished up Vlogmas. Didn't think we were going to be able to get a video out every day. but we did. It's a little touch and go sometimes. And we'll see you for our next recipe video. If you're interested, hit the subscribe button and come back and watch me cook next time.